We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day, everyone, this is Cam Jones FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's get back down to business. Alright guys, we are in the market today. We are checking out NZD CAD. That's the New Zealand dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So let's take a look what's going on the market. So the first thing we have going on is the market is this. So price started off here, price pushed down, it created an area of support, price pushed up, it created that area of resistance, price pushed back down, created another area of support, price pushed back up, came back down to retest areas of support. From there, price pushed up, broke past previous areas of resistance, price came back down to areas of support, wasn't able to break through, tried once, tried twice, third time came up, pushed up, lost momentum, came back down for a fourth time, wasn't able to break. From there, the market pushed up, created areas of highest highs back in March of 2014. From there, the market came down, it came up, retested areas of resistance, wasn't able to break, came back down, lost momentum, pressed up again, wasn't able to break this resistance for a third time, came back down, pushed up for a fourth time, was able to break, and I can push maybe for a fifth and a sixth time on this high to break, but it wasn't able to. From there, we see the market pushed up what? This area was a retesting previous of second level lower lows. From there, the market wasn't able to push up higher, so it lost momentum. It came down further. It actually broke areas of support to come back up into areas of support, to shoot back down to break through support again, to shoot back up, hit resistance, come back down, pushed up again, broke through resistance, retested areas of resistance, broke up further, retested next areas of resistance, and now we have to see what the market's going to do. So I'm going to clear my screen. We're going to go to, we're going to head over to Forex 101. Number one, we'll be identifying the market, which we just did. So we can see that the market came up, consolidated sideways, did a slight drop. Now the market like is coming back up. Two, will be identifying the overall trend. So if we come over here, we grab our trend line. Turn our trend line green. So we can see that we are in an uptrend market. So we are in our uptrend. So we have to see how far the market is going to go up. From there, what we're going to be focusing on is how to set up your SR lines for number 3. So number 3 would be placing SR lines. So if you're on the monthly time frame, first thing we're going to figure out is where is price action. Price action is this last red candle that's actively moving. And if you look across, it says 9 days and 2 hours, 21 hours before this candle closes out. So this active candle right here, we're looking to see where this is going to go. So if we look up from the next level up, it will be in this area here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back over to the left. We're going to grab our horizontal line. And if we go one level up, if it breaks this level, it'll come somewhere here. Once it comes into this area, it's either going to break up to the next level and create new higher highs. If not, it's going to break. The market can go down from here and create new levels of lower lows. If price action is trying to break this area here, you want to throw a SR. You can throw an SR line here, right in between this, and we can see how everything just lines up so nicely with the 3 lines we created with the SR lines in monthly. So price here is either going to break up, break down, or it's going to consolidate sideways. So we have to figure out what's going on. But the market is in the uptrend. So if we go down the time frame, let's go check out the weekly, see what's going on in the market with CAD. If we check out CAD on the weekly, we can see that we see that price is respecting. So we see a symbol, a pattern, Forex pattern sheet. If you go to Google Forex pattern cheat sheets on Google, you'll see this pattern on there. This is a W. So you get that push up from the top, you get that retest, and it pushed up higher, and it retested my SR line to push up higher to retest my SR line again. So it's basically a slight consolidation. So it's either we have to wait for we will wait for confirmation. Let me go back. Gotta erase some of this. So what I was saying was, if we will have to wait for confirmation to either see some type of engulfing pattern that shoots up, some type of pattern that shows identification that it's going to go up or the market is going to go down, or it will just continue just bouncing between this range of this high here and this lower low here, and just bounce up and down. It may just do something like this, just stay in this range if it doesn't break out to the next level, up or down. So we're gonna do is look for next level, more SR lines between our green lines, see what we can find. Because where price action is currently now on this SR line all the way up, that's going to be a long way up. It can get there, but it will take time. You can create more SR lines to create more levels, just in case if you don't want to take it from here going further up, because it may not reach that far up. It may go up to this point and come back down. If we head over to the SR, if we grab our horizontal line, and let's change our color to blue. So let's say we go with the SR line blue, and we're going to we will be trying to get these to touch the inverted peaks here. There's another one here. So our SR lines will look something like this, and then from there we can see what the market is trying to do. Sometimes when you do add the SR lines on CAD, or I should say the SR lines on pairs, you can see symbols or some type of design of some type of letter, either W's going up or M going down. And this looked like a W going up, and I can try to see if I can draw it out. So the market pushed up, it pushed down. Let me just start from here. This is the first leg of the W, this is the second leg of the W, this is the third leg of the W, this is the fourth leg of the W, and this area is trying to retest something from previous areas of support that's inside here, which you can't see unless we go down to a lower time frame. From there, the market may try to push up. If not, it push down to come back up. But it still has a chance to still respect our trend line. So it may not be a turnaround just now. If we come down to the daily time frame, we can take a closer look to see what's going on. So looking at CAD on the daily, if you wanted to take entry on the daily or the weekly, you can, and entry will consist of finding that pattern for entry, or seeing that pattern for entry, or identifying that pattern for entry. So what we can see here is, if I'm correct, the market pushed up, came down here, pushed up higher, created areas of higher highs, and this is where the games begin. So this may do it, it may not do it. It's all about identifying what you see in the market. So this is the first leg of the W. This is the second leg of the W. It may be trying to form the third leg of the W to come down further, to push back up, to retest previous areas of support, which we can see from over here, to shoot up higher. That can happen. If not, the market can do something like this. The market can create that first leg, that second leg, that third leg, and push up that fourth leg, and that's the W. And we can see how it's in that uptrend. And it'll come down for that retest areas of previous area support, and it'll shoot up higher. I'm going to leave these drawings on here, so if we go back, come back to CAD later on down the line, we can see if it does something similar to my drawings. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. That was CAD, and we are in an uptrend. Thank you.